Welcome to Real Talk English with Emma, your friendly English coach. Thank you for joining us. I'm Emma.
And I'm Tom. Thank you for joining us today. Today we're taking you to the supermarket.
That's right. We'll learn how to talk, ask questions, and buy things in English, all in a real supermarket situation.
So, if you're a beginner or want to sound more natural, this episode is perfect for you.
We'll go step by step, from finding a shopping cart to paying at the counter.
Great, I'm ready. Let's go shopping.
Okay, Tom, we just arrived at the supermarket. What's the first thing you do?
I look for a shopping cart.
Exactly. You can say, I need a shopping cart. I'll take a basket today.
What's the difference?
A cart is bigger for lots of items. A basket is small, you carry it. Vocabulary practice. Cart, basket, aisle, rows between shelves, section, area for a category, shelf.
So if I want to ask, where is the fruit section, how do I say it?
Perfect question. You can say, excuse me, where can I find the fruit section?
Mini dialogue. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
It's in aisle 5, next to the yogurt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Great. Excuse me and thank you are polite. Always use them. Practice. Repeat. Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
Perfect. Now we're in the produce section. Fruits and vegetables everywhere.
Wow, so colorful. I usually buy bananas, apples, and tomatoes.
Nice. Let's learn some useful questions. How much are the apples? Can I try one? Are these organic?
What does organic mean?
It means food grown without chemicals.
Excuse me, how much are these bananas?
They're $2 per kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo, please. Vocabulary. Ripe equals ready to eat. Fresh equals not old. Per kilo equals price per kilogram. On sale equals cheaper today.
Repeat after me. These apples look fresh. Those tomatoes are on sale.
These apples look fresh.
Perfect pronunciation. Grammar tip. Use some and any. I need some carrots. Do you have any oranges? Practice role play. I'll be the shop assistant, you be the customer.
Okay.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, where are the potatoes?
They're in the next aisle, near the onions.
Great, thank you.
Can you smell the bread?
Oh yes, I love the bakery section.
You can say, do you have whole wheat bread? Is this bread fresh today?
What does whole wheat mean?
It's made from whole grains, healthier bread. Mini dialogue.
Excuse me, do you have gluten-free bread?
Yes, it's on the top shelf, near the cakes.
Thank you.
Vocabulary. Loaf, 1 whole bread. Slice, 1 piece of bread. Pastry, donut, croissant, cookie, muffin. Practice. I'd like a loaf of white bread. Let's buy some cookies for dessert. Good. You can also use, can I get?
Can I get a loaf of whole wheat bread, please?
Perfect. Now we're in the cleaning aisle. What do you usually buy here?
Detergent, soap, and toothpaste.
Good. Some useful phrases. We're out of shampoo. Let's buy some dish soap. Do you have tissue paper?
Short conversation. Excuse me, where's the toothpaste?
It's in aisle 9, next to the shampoo.
Thank you.
Remember, always start with, excuse me. Vocabulary game. I'll say a word, you say what it's for. Laundry detergent. For washing clothes. Toothpaste. For brushing teeth. Hand sanitizer. For cleaning hands.
Nice. I'm learning a lot today.
Now it's time to pay.
The checkout counter, the last stop.
Useful sentences. Can I pay by card? Do you take cash? Can I have a receipt, please? Mini dialogue. Good afternoon. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
That'll be $25.50. Can I pay by card? Sure. Please tap your card here.
Thank you.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
You too.
Excellent. Practice being polite. please, thank you, and have a nice day.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, or you can also say, can I use my card? Vocabulary review: cash, card, receipt, total, change. Great job, Tom. Let's review what we bought.
I got fruit, bread, soap, and toothpaste.
Nice. Now let's practice some small talk after shopping. Example conversation. How was your shopping?
It was good. The store was not too crowded.
What did you buy?
Some vegetables and a loaf of bread.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, everything was easy to find. Key expressions recap. Where can I find? How much is this? Can I pay by card? I'll take 2 kilos. Have a nice day.
Try using these phrases next time you visit a supermarket.
Yes, practice a little every day and your English will improve fast.
Thank you for listening to Real Talk English.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with your friends. Bye for now. See you next time on Real Talk English Podcast.